I think it's how I work with people is at three stages. The first stage, I work backwards from what people ultimately sell. So the first thing is to identify what your ideal premium service would be and how much it would cost, and to write it up and write it up as a title, and then like what they will get, like just 4 or 5 points of what they will get. And you want to really give like results and experiences that are compelling and unique to your program that they wouldn't get anywhere else. So you start with an ideal offer. And then from there, work backwards to, what would you offer as a discovery session for them to find out more about this program? So if you know what you're going to offer, you can almost design your discovery session or a free consultation. And then from there, what you want to do is design your sales funnel that will get more people there. So in my case, I look at your offer, I look at what your discovery session could look like, and then I work backwards to design your meetup events that you'll do, your webinars, in other words. And then from there, I help you design your communities and the system that will get more people into those communities and thus into your events and thus into your discovery sessions, and then back, to sell your ideal programs. And if people can't afford your ideal programs, you can always cut down your ideal program to something more affordable that they can start with.